Hello and salam friends. This is Scissor from PS Tutelar. There's new Photoshop 2022. It has some new features of tools. Let's get started to see what's new. There is a beautiful scenery. Go to Filter, Neural Filter. There is new feature or tool in Neural Filters. Landscape Mixer is new feature in it. Switch on and you can find many presets. Suppose I will apply on winter look. It starts processing on device. You can see difference. Click on OK. You can see original image. An image with winter look. There are many other presets. There is custom tab, so you can select image. Select an image from computer. But in presets you can choose any one of them. Suppose I will click on warm look filter. It will start processing on device. Here is image with warm look. Here is original image and image with warm look. This is Landscape Mixer tool. Again I will apply another filter. And see the result for that preset. Here is greenery on image. Look at original image and after applying filter. It turned into a beautiful green scenery. Let's see what we have other feature. I did a tutorial a while ago. How we can adjust colors grading. This model has different colors tone and background. I have done a lot of steps to adjust it with background. Curve adjustment, level adjustment, or colors adjustments. Let's see how we can adjust in this new Photoshop. Unlock background layer and select layer 1. Go to Filter, Neural Filters. There is an option named Harmonization. Choose it and select a layer. I will choose background layer. Now look at effect on model image. We can adjust strength. We can add different color. We can adjust saturation and brightness. Click on OK and look at effect. Colors grading for model image is matched with background. So, it is harmonization, a new feature in Photoshop 2022. Let's see what's next. Here is an image of beautiful cats. Pick Object Selection tool. Hover mouse on objects and see there is cross on pointer. It's mean none of any object is selected. Make sure Object Finder is checked. There are setting options in it. Object Subtract, Auto Refresh, Default Color, Outline and Opacity and Auto Show Overlay. These are checked by default settings. Click on any subject. After selection, look at mouse pointer. Cross mean object is not selected. Hover mouse on selected subject. Mouse pointer will change its shape. It is an arrow tip means subject is selected. If you want to select another subject, press Shift and hold, then click on subject. You can see two subjects are selected. Mouse pointer shape is showing for selected subject. Cross on mouse pointer means subject is not selected. You can mask out or suppose apply curves adjustment. If you play with curve adjustment, it will affect only selected subjects. There is another tool in it. Go to Layer and click on Mask All Objects. It will mask out all 5 subjects in image. Select any one of them. Create a levels or curves adjustment layer. You can adjust brightness or shadows for specific subject. You can adjust colors tone for any specific subject. It's your choice, whatever you like to do. It is another new tool in Photoshop 2022. Next, click on Window, then Comments. It will save you work to Creative Cloud. Click on Continue and save as your file name. Click on Save and it will save to Creative Cloud. After saving, you can share with other people. Share your document for feedback and comments. Or invite people to edit your document. Click on Share, then you can copy link. So this is another feature in new Photoshop 2022. I hope you like these new features. Best thing is you don't need to uninstall older version. If you like this video, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next, Allah Hafiz.